Hi everybody, here is Saima from Digimedia as we are learning SQL from scratch. So this is fourth video of our lecture series to learn SQL. So in this particular video tutorial, we are going to focus on select query. So what is select query? First of all, I want to explain what is select query. Select statement is used to fetch the data from a database table which return this data in the form of a result table. These result tables are called result sets. So basically, a select statement or select query in SQL can be used in multiple ways. It can shows you data of entire table, or you can select particular record from any given table as per your selected criteria. So the syntax of this particular statement is select column 1, column 2, column n from table name, or you can select entire record from a table by using this steric sign. So you have to use keyword select and then steric sign, then keyword from, and here will goes the table name if you want to display all record from a given table. I have already created table customers in my last video where I have created. So when I will suppose this is my table, and when I will go to my query window and I will write here new query. So instead of this one, I will select entire record from the table. So I will use select. So you have seen that when I have used select statement with the help of steric, so it shows entire record of the table customer. But if I want to show specific attributes or show specific record, then I can use this in multiple ways. Suppose when I want to execute this query, like select ID, name and salary from customers, and I will execute this one. Now the result of this query is displayed here, and you can see that it shows only ID, name and salary. So next I will use select query with the help of where class. So I will come back to my query window and will use select statement with where class. So when I will use where class, it basically specify a condition while fetching the data from a single table or by joining with multiple tables. If the given condition is satisfied, then only it returns a specific value from the table. You should use the where clause to filter the records and fetching only the necessary records. So if you don't want to display entire record of a table, then you can use where clause with the help of select statement, and it will filter the records and will fetch only those records that you want to display. So the syntax for this where clause will be select column 1, column 2, column n from table name, and after table name you will specify here where keyword, and then you will specify the condition. You can specify a condition using the comparison of logical operator like equal, greater than, less than, equal to, like, not, etc. And the following example would make this concept clear. Suppose I have a customer table that I am using in this video series, and now I will select ID, name and salary from customer table where salary is greater than 2000. So when I will execute this particular statement, you will see the results of this query, and here now you can see that it shows only those implies salary whose salary is greater than 2000. Suppose I want to fetch the records of those employees whose salary is less than 2000, then what will the result? So you can see that it only shows one record, ID number 2, and it have salary 1500. Suppose I want to this exact this figure, then what will happen? So it shows two records, Ramesh and Kaushik, with salary 2000. So you can use a select clause in multiple ways. You can give any condition, and based on this condition, it can shows you records from particular table. Suppose I want to use again in this where clause, and this time I will use this particular statement, and instead of this one, suppose I want to display the record of this person, then I will execute. So it will shows me ID, name, and salary of this particular person. So this was all about select statement, how you can select multiple records, or you can select particular record with the help of where class. Hopefully in our next video we will cover different conjunctive operators like and, or, and, not. So stay tuned. I hope you will like this video. For upcoming videos, please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, make sure to share this video. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.